at Trenowyth house today, number 4 Budge Meadow in Treburley, not far from the Springer Spaniel pub and about 5.5 miles from Launceston on the way to Callington. So well positioned south of the town. And it offers 25-year-old property that has 3 bedrooms upstairs. There is a dining room and which could double up as a 4th bedroom on the ground floor if need be. And the kitchen is a kitchen diner along with a utility room. So there's plenty of space here. It's a very well presented property, got lovely views towards Dartmoor, and lots of parking. There's a double garage with a bit of a store and some sheds. So definitely worth ring the office and ask for more questions, get some full details, and we'll tell you more about it. 01566 776 211.